Hey guys, Mike with Gettin Greasy Garage. So, getting some parts prepped here for the 59 Fairlane build. The owner, he's bugging me about some videos. I don't want him to see the car quite yet, so I'll show him some parts. So here's the new fuel tank for it. As I've mentioned in previous videos, we're putting the fast, easy EFI fuel injection on it. I've got all new 3/8 main fuel line stainless, and I've got 5/16 return line. And you know, with everything, that much of the fuel system being new, we just decided to go ahead and put a new fuel tank in it. That's not worth chancing, rust and debris from an old tank. The old tank in the car actually looked decent, so I'm probably not going to throw it away. I'll find another use for it, in a mud truck or something I don't care as much about, but I don't want that easy EFI getting plugged up. Even with a good fuel filter, you still get rust and stuff pulled into them injectors, and that wouldn't be a good thing. So, anyway, found this tank kit on eBay. Comes with new straps, new sending unit and everything that goes with it, new lock ring, and the new rubbers for the straps. I'm going to go ahead and coat this tank with pickup truck bedliner. Now you can use undercoating, but undercoating to me doesn't hold up as good. So I prefer to use the bedliner, just the rattle can bedliner, and give it a good coat top and bottom. It's kind of got a galvanized coat on it now, but for it to last another 63 years like the factory one, we'll spray it with bedliner and give it extra help. So yeah, this tank's actually made in Taiwan. There's your sticker if you really want to know. And I wasn't exactly happy with the packaging. So they had it in that box, and then they had the nozzle sticking out with some cardboard and plastic around it. I checked this solder seam. Everything appears to be good, but, we won't really truly know until put fuel in it. And, well, if it leaks, they're going to do something about it, but it looks okay. Not the finest packaging, but it is what it is. So I believe, yeah, this whole tank with everything ready to go and shipped to the door was $319. And we're dealing with these old cars. That's worth every penny. When you start talking about sucking up rusty, dirty shit into a new fuel system, contaminating all the new clean parts. So, and if they make fuel tanks for 59 Ford Fairlanes, they pretty much make them for anything. But the quality of the tank looks really good. All the welds look nice. It does have a vent. The one thing it didn't have is a return, which I'll have to put in, only because of the fuel system that I'm putting in the car does require a return line. But that's not a big deal. So, anyway, guys, I'm going to get this thing wiped down with some lacquer thinner and get some coating on it. And I'll bring you guys back for a final view. Alright, guys, well, I told you I'd bring you back when I was through. So, here's the tank. Get the straps painted. Got the rubber put on. Sprayed with the bed liner. I'm not going to put the sending unit in until I'm ready to put the tank in. But turned out pretty good. I'm happy with it. The nozzle will look good. Leave the tape on there till ready for installation, but I think it'll look pretty sharp. Somebody looks under the back of that car. To me, it's all about the little details. This stuff had to be painted because it would have rusted. So why not spend a minute and make it look nice? Not difficult. Not difficult at all. Just some spray paint and some good old truck pickup bed liner. So that's all I got for now. Just a little showing of some work going on. And I got some other videos in the works. Got to do some editing. That's where it takes the time. So, and just got over a health issue. So things are a little bit delayed. But anyway, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel. If you are not subscribed, please hit the like, subscribe, share buttons. Ring the bell for notifications. All that stuff's free, doesn't cost you a thing, and really helps out the channel. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next one. You know, if you get out in the shop and actually do something, you might get something done.